Hi, I'm Manish from Bay20.education, and I'm going to interview one of our students today, and he'll explain us about Raspberry Pi and what he's going to do with it. Let's see. What's your name?
Darsh,
Hi, Darsh. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. So, what's on your hand?
It's Raspberry Pi 3B plus.
Okay, that's great. So before you go ahead and explain us what this device is and what are the components, can you tell me which school you are in and what grade you are in?
I'm studying right now in Father Agnell School and I am in 7th grade.
Okay, that's great. So please explain us the components of this device.
So this is the CPU
Okay.
and this is the USB ports where you can insert USB,
Okay.
and this is
The
Ethernet.
USB ports are used for what purpose?
It is used to you can insert the keyboard and mouse
Okay.
USBs, and this is Ethernet cable which is used for LAN and Wi-Fi,
Okay. Okay.
and this is HDMI port,
Okay.
and it is used to connect to different computers
Okay.
and
Basically,
monitors.
monitors.
So this is the power cable which is used to give the power to this.
Okay, so HDMI cable, we can connect directly with the monitor, or is there any other wire that can be used?
So there is this cable in which we have to insert this inside the HDMI port, and with this we have to connect this to the monitor.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And is there any storage section also?
Yes, there is one SD port. Here you can insert any SD card.
Okay, so that will be used for storage, right?
And this is the GPIO pins for input and output.
Okay, that's great. So you are going to use this Raspberry Pi. Like, what all purposes it can be used for?
It can be used for making computers, making robot, home ammunition, and this agriculture ammunition
Automation.
and automation, and I'm using this right now for my virtual assistant, which can detect face and which can read my emails and all.
Okay, that's great. So are you using some programming language to build this?
Yes, I'm using Python for this.
Okay. So you have already started the project, or you're still evaluating?
I've started the project. I'm just finalizing it.
Okay, that's great. It was nice talking to you, Darsh. Have a blessed day, and take care, and best of luck for your project.
Thank you.
Thank you.